What's up guys, my name is Technubber here for Troubleshoots, and today I've got a super simple, really quick video on Destiny 2. Now that it's released on Steam and for free, I'm pretty sure you had to pay for it on Blizzard. There's a lot of people wondering how exactly do you get your NAT to become open so you can get better ping in multiplayer, lobby up with your friends better, and it's just a general overall better experience. If we head into Escape, open Settings, head across to the Settings on the top right, followed by Accessibility, you'll see that under Network Data, Stun Test, NAT type is Moderate. So how exactly do we get this to open? Well, it's actually super simple. All you need to do is go ahead and close the game entirely. Once your game is fully closed, head across to the description down below and look for this over here. These are the ports for Destiny 2 that will need to be forwarded to your local PC or console in order to open your NAT. So if you're on PlayStation 4, you'd use that, Xbox One, PC using Blizzard. I'm not sure how long it'll be there, but for now, these are the ports that you'd port forward, as well as Steam down here. So this is what I'll be doing for this video. As you can see, there are both TCP and UDP ports and ranges that we need to forward. So let's go ahead and figure out exactly how we do that. I have a tutorial linked in the description down below on port forwarding if you'd like some extra information on top of what I'll be showing you here. So the first step is hold start and hit R, type in CMD, and then type in ipconfig and hit enter. Under your Ethernet adapter if you're using cable, or wireless if you're using wireless, find the IPv4 address, and mine is 192.168.120, and once you have that memorized, simply close that of your command prompt. Next, you'll need to log on to your router via your network. So because everyone's network router is completely different, I have a simplified dummy router interface that I'll be demonstrating this with. Your router should look somewhat similar to this, and this should give you the gist of exactly what's going on. So under local IP 192.168.1, I only need to enter 20, so I'll go ahead and do that. Then, looking under the PC Steam Destiny 2, you can see that I need to port forward the range 27015 to 27030. So we'll go ahead and punch that into both the starting for external and internal, and then here. So it's going to port forward 27015 to 27030, same there, and protocol TCP. Then go ahead and hit add new, or enter, or anything else. Then under local IP, just need to enter that again, and we need to port forward this range over here. So we'll go ahead and do that. Next, we need to port forward UDP 3074, and all I need to do is this and hit add new, and it's added. Then 3097, UDP, 4380, and then 27,000 to 27031 UDP, as well as 27036 UDP. Once you've done that, you've basically finished port forwarding from your router to your PC. Now you just need to make sure that your Windows Firewall or Mac Firewall or whatever else is open, allowing these ports to communicate with the internet. So of course there's hundreds of thousands of antiviruses as well as firewall software, so I can't cover every single one. I'll simply cover the Windows Firewall, and you'll have to figure out what you have to do if you have your own antivirus with a built-in firewall. So let's go ahead and close the router page, press start and type in Firewall. Once you've done that, head across to Windows Defender Firewall, followed by Advanced Settings, and then you'll have this screen open. So let's head across to Inbound Rules in the top left, and then in the top right, we'll head to New Rule. Then we'll go to Port, Next, and inside of here, we'll make sure TCP is ticked and specific local ports. So this is already formatted in the correct way that you can simply copy and paste this entire line here. So TCP all the way from 27015 to 27037, paste it into this box over here and hit next. Allow, next, make sure all three are ticked, next, and we'll give it a name. So we'll call it Destiny 2. Hit finish, and then we'll hit new rule. Now we need to port forward these UDP ports. So we'll do the same, port, UDP, paste it in, next, allow, next, all three ticked, next, name Destiny 2 UDP. You don't need to make the names different. This is just so that I can remember it for later. So let's head across to Outbound Rules and hit New Rule. Same thing here, port, next, TCP, paste, next, and this time make sure to tick allowed connection because it will default to block. All three ticked, and we'll give it a name, Destiny 2. Misspelled that, but it doesn't matter. New rule, port, next, and we'll copy and paste these UDP, select UDP, paste, next, allow, next, all three ticked, next, Destiny 2 UDP. Hit enter, and now we've successfully opened these ports in our Windows firewall. If you have an antivirus, you'll need to do the same. I have ESET, so I simply just need to right click on it and then pause firewall, because I don't want to go through the process of allowing these ports through that firewall as well. If I need to do this later on, I'll go ahead and do that specifically, but for now I'm just disabling my firewall to show you guys that it works. So now that I've port forwarded them in my actual router, I'll go ahead and start up Destiny 2 via Steam. Now that we're back on the main menu, I can head across to Game Options, then Open Settings, top right settings wheel again, Accessibility, and now you should see that under Network Data, Start and Test, NAT type is now set to Open. Super simple, and now you shouldn't have issues connecting to lobbies, inviting your friends, etc, etc if you had those issues before. Otherwise, you can just enjoy a much smoother online gameplay now that your NAT type is set to Open instead of Moderate or even possibly Strict. Super simple. I hope it's helped you guys. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.